Are you looking for the best gaming PCs? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best gaming PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSI Codex R2. Gaming is an inherently expensive hobby, and a budget PC doesn't have the exact meaning it does elsewhere. Regardless, the MSI Codex R2 lives up to the moniker. It comes in at less than $1,000 as configured, including a roomy case with decent airflow. The system includes an Intel Core i5-14400F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, neither of which will set the world on fire but are plenty capable for an entry-level system. The fans get loud under load, but this is an acceptable deal as compromises go for a relatively affordable desktop that can push up to 1440p performance. Budget-strapped shoppers looking for a steal on a 1080p to 1440p gaming desktop will be pleased. The Codex R2 avoids big misses on the processor, GPU, and storage sides. It also has an effective case and will perform admirably in mainstream and more demanding titles, with visual settings adjusted. You'll find other options around this price, but this is our current favorite with the least compromises. Number 2. NZXT Player. 1. Entry-level systems are all about value, and we believe the NZXT Player 1 justifies its price. Rather than compromise on design or appearance, this system has the quality and style of a custom build, as well as a comforting 2-year warranty. What's more, the Intel Core i5-12400F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics deliver steady 1080p gaming performance for the cost. If you're on a slightly looser budget, you will definitely enjoy this system. You can enjoy comfortably better than 60 FPS gaming at 1080p, with the benefit of a machine with a high-end look without paying high-end pricing. Simply put, the NZXT Player 1 is a more premium experience for an entry-level desktop than usual, with only a minor upcharge. Number 3. HP Omen 35L. Beyond HD gaming is notably more demanding than targeting a more mainstream 1080p resolution, but the HP Omen 35L is up to the task without bankrupting you. Don't get us wrong, it's hardly inexpensive, but you're moving into the enthusiast range when targeting 1440p play, and the price is suitable for this system. Our stacked test model includes an AMD Ryzen 7 8700G processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super graphics card, 64 GB of memory, and 4 TB of storage. This setup will ensure sky-high frame rates and can push into the 4K range if you desire, but this takes the cake as our mid-range pick because of its low starting price. If you don't need that much power, a less expensive Omen 35L configuration with a toned-down GPU pick will still go a long way while saving you some cash. HP's wide range of configuration options, classy design, and industry-standard parts make this Omen model a good fit for mainstream and enthusiast gamers alike. 1080p and 1440p gaming will run comfortably with most of the Omen 35L component combinations HP offers, powering the latest titles at smooth frame rates. More modest GPU options are available than that of our review model, so you'll find many solutions for a wide range of budgets in an overall design that we stand behind. Number 4. MSI Vision Elite RS. Even with today's super powerful top-end graphics cards, 4K gaming at a smooth frame rate is no easy task. You'll need a big budget to hit this target, but if you're willing to splash the cash, the MSI Vision Elite RS is our favorite 4K machine right now. Its Intel Core i9-14900KF processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU are key to ensuring fast frame rates at high settings, as are its 64 GB of RAM. The premium panoramic case backs up the performance by looking expensive, though all told, this PC isn't overpriced for the we don't want to leave any room for confusion to help anyone avoid seriously overspending. This system, as configured, is for enthusiast gamers, mainly targeting 4K gaming at high settings. Playing modern titles at 4K resolution requires a whole different tier of fast components than even 1440p gaming, but this system can deliver that experience if you're willing to pay up. Components. Number 5. Corsair One i500. While not the tiniest gaming PC, the Corsair One i500 is smaller than traditional towers and handsome, and its footprint is small. Most compact gaming machines are more expensive than average. It takes more advanced engineering to fit high-end parts in a tight space. And this system certainly falls into that group. Not all that cost goes to the small design, because our test model packs some ferocious parts. An Intel Core i9-14900K processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, 64 GB of memory, and 2 TB of solid-state storage. A liquid loop cools these potent components, helping the desktop deliver fantastic results on our benchmark tests, especially for such a small system. It's pricey, though not overpriced, and not a solution for everyone, but it is a first-rate pre-build. While not the tiniest gaming PC, the Corsair One i500 is smaller than traditional towers and handsome, and its footprint is small. Most compact gaming machines are more expensive than average. It takes more advanced engineering to fit high-end parts in a tight space. And this system certainly falls into that group. Not all that cost goes to the small design, because our test model packs some ferocious parts. An Intel Core i9-14900K processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, 64 GB of memory, and 2 TB of solid-state storage. A liquid loop cools these potent components, helping the desktop deliver fantastic results on our benchmark tests, especially for such a small system. It's pricey, though not overpriced, and not a solution for everyone, but it is a first-rate pre-build.